Hi everyone, today I would like to demonstrate how to use the functions in staff management section. So first we log into Boss Portal and we go to staff management section. And the first thing we need to create is the staff type. So we click onto staff types, click onto the plus record to create new staff type, or we can click onto this orange icon button to edit the existing staff type. So I'll be demonstrate doing a new record and a code. Let's see, I just should create this and customer service late. Okay, this price type is to select the staff type's authorized price type. Let's see, I'll be choosing sales agent price. They will be seeing sales agent price and save to update the record. So you will be seeing the record has been added successfully. Next, we go back to the home page and continue in rows. So we go to staff management and rows. So the rows button, you can click onto this plus record button to create new row, or you may click onto this icon, edit icon button, to edit the existing row permission. So I'll be demonstrating creating a new row, plus record, customer service lead. This is what I create just now, and I may start to input the row name and the permission to be granted. Let's say I allow them to edit the article and view the article. So maybe I allow them to view the cost and do not allow them to edit the cost details or documents. And I do not allow them to view or edit customers, so I just leave it blank like this. And maybe I can allow them to view all this, edit, view. Okay, assuming I've completed all, and I'll just continue to save to update the record and create the record. So record has been added successfully. So now next we go back to the home page to continue with creating the staff. So click onto staff icon, click onto plus record to create new staff, or maybe you can edit the existing staff by click onto all this edit button. So I'll just create a new record. Let's say username, just a simple one for your staff to log in. They need to use the username and name. Okay, and I need to input the job title. Let's say it's customer service lead, which I earlier created. And I need to input my email address. Okay, my mobile number. Okay, identity number. I can just simply create a without a dash. And staff type, I need to select the staff type which I created earlier. Okay, customer service lead. Okay, profile summary is an optional section to fill in. You can fill in the profile summary if you have anything to key in, or else you may just ignore it. And status, you can choose the status of this account, whether this is active or inactive. In future, this staff is no longer working with us, I can actually come back to this staff page, look for his or her name, and I just choose inactive. So right now will be active. And online contact card is a contact card, whether you want to enable it or not. So you can choose enable, or you can just choose disable it. So if enable, there will be a link for you. So we try to choose enable, and we save. Okay, record has been updated successfully. Okay, now next we have to create a rows. Not to create, we need to assign row permission to the selected staff. So just now I created customer service lab. I just click onto plus icon and I just save it, and row has been added successfully. Okay, sales office, we need to select the sales office to assign sales office to this staff. Let's say this person is working in main store. Okay, he or she can only view all the details in main store, not other outlets. Okay, so I save it. So once everything done, the staff will have to try to log in and check whether he or she received any email. Let's see, I'll go back to my page. Okay, now I received one email as a staff. Welcome Kate, so your account has been created. So this is my username and this is the organization code. To set a password, I need to click on this icon. I will log out this first. Okay, so click onto this icon. Okay, I have to create a new pin. Let's say this is my pin and I submit. Okay, now I can try to log in with my new password. So organization, I refer back to the email. This email, my username is KL, my organization code is QT. Okay, so organization is QT, my username is KL, and I just key in my password and I log in. Okay, this is all what I can see because of the permission role that we assigned and set earlier. So this is how we actually use the functions of staff management. Thank you.